The topic I have chosen to work with for my COMU1999 assignment 2 is danger. My intended viewing audience is peers and teachers, and I want them to know that there are dangerous yet not so obvious objects or situations within someone's life that they may not be aware of. I want them to feel afraid and in danger. I want them to become more aware of their surroundings. In order to create these feelings within my images, the visual language and principles I need to include are space, because a lack of something in an image can be sometimes off-putting, adding to the dangerous vibe I'm going for. Shape, because the shape of some objects can be terrifying, for example the shape of a shadow. Form is also important to create this feeling, as the actual objects or situations are what make people fear. Colour, because people associate different colours with different things. The colours red, orange, black and white are colours I think will be most effective. In terms of light, I would like to use darkish light, not too bright, but let the object still be visible, just to add to the danger side of things. Viewpoint-wise, I think low-angle shots to make objects look more ominous and powerful will be really effective for my topic, but also close-ups and long shots. I think it'll be challenging to photograph situations or objects that are terrifying or considered dangerous to everyone, mostly because different people have different fears. I've chosen to make each of my photos convey a different fear or danger. The first photo I've taken is of a dangerous situation involving water and electricity. I changed this a number of times in terms of viewpoint. First off, I started with a mid-shot of a bath and the hairdryer resting on the bath's edge, about to fall in, but I didn't think this was really effective. I tried it with a different light about 5 times and decided to go for the dimmer one. After moving around the viewpoint and trying different perspectives, I decided to move the scene entirely. I played with the shadows of the object and kept a mid-shot of the two. I kept the lighting not too bright so I could play with the shadows. The second photo involves a cigarette left on the stairs while the smoker has gone to do something else. I played around with the viewpoint and light in this one quite a bit until I found the perfect image. The final image I ended up with is a close-up of the cigarette, obviously left behind. The lighting is not too bright but still visible, which is what I was going for. The third photo was of a puddle of water. I decided to take a low-angle shot of the step and the water and a close-up of the step to emphasize the dangerous situation. I've composed and recomposed this photo 3 times each to make it better. The first time I only had one step in the photo, but decided to change it and add some water. The second time I thought I'd try just the water and had a high-angle shot of water on the floor, but I don't think this is very effective. The photo I've ended up with includes both water and the step, and the low-angle shot adds something more the 2 other photos didn't have, which it seems like the perspective of someone walking through there. The fourth photo is of a scary-looking figure. I've composed and recomposed the photo twice. The first time I took it during the day, and it seemed too bright and happy and didn't really capture the danger or fear I was going for. I think using a dim light and having the photo in black and white will make it better, which is what I've done. I've taken the photo as a long shot also to make it seem more dangerous. The amount of empty space in the photo is also something I think adds to the effect I'm going for. The fifth photo is of a close-up of a shelf. The nails are coming loose and the objects on it are heavy. I thought at first a long shot would be effective, but after composing and recomposing, I decided a close-up would be better as it's easy to see the screws coming loose. The sixth implies the danger of heights. I've taken a long shot angled down, so viewpoint is a really important aspect for this photo. I thought at first a photo taken from the top of the stairs would be really effective, but then decided that angled straight down from the top of the stairs would be better. There's a lot of empty space in the photo, which I hope will add to the danger vibe I'm going for. I've also focused on the top of the step. The seventh photo I wanted to use water as a dangerous aspect, but I found it rather difficult. I took a photo of a full bath, but realised this is more welcoming than off-putting. Tried it with a few different lighting scenes, including a night one, but then decided a high-angle shot of the bath plug with water falling onto it would be more effective. The eighth and final photo is of a dangerous situation involving sharp objects. This was another difficult photo to compose in terms of viewpoint and light. I tried a range of different lighting schemes and then decided to go for dark again. In terms of viewpoint, I decided to go for a long shot to capture the knife left in the doorway.